we've recently gone to the market to raise capital that we've needed to acquire the initial portfolio, and I must say we're very pleased. We were exceptionally well received. In these markets, it's no mean feat to be fully subscribed. We were seeking to raise 378 million rand, and we filled that. In fact, there was a small oversubscription, so we're very, very pleased with that result. And in particular, the blend of retail and institutional investors that we've brought in to the company are, I think, a very good balance. I think we have around 30% retail, and the balance in institutional hands together with long-term holders, including the promoters who have really committed fairly significant funds to the company. They've backed it with their own money, and I think that gives investors a lot of confidence. And I think the highlight for us was the fact that we have backing from the PRC. The PRC has supported us. The PRC has subscribed for 40% of the company, and that's really substantial when you look at the PRC's holdings in perhaps some of the other property companies. I think that they've really shown their vote of confidence in the management team and in the properties that we're bringing to the market. The intention is for the PRC to facilitate a black economic empowerment transaction within our company. The consortium that is being put together is being led by our chairman, Jabu Molekete, who's the ex-chairman of the PRC, ex-deputy finance minister, and who sits on some very prominent boards in South Africa, not least of which would be Nedbank in the past, Brait, Remgro. So really a prominent businessman, and so Jabu, we're very privileged to have on our board as our chairman, is going to be leading the consortium. It has been announced in our listing document, and it's intended at this stage that Jabu and his consortium take around 20% stake in the company, and that will be facilitated by the PRC through shares, or linked units rather, that are already held by the PRC in the company. So that will ultimately result in the PRC ending up with around 20%, and our empowerment partners also ending up with around 20%, which is really significant relative to some of the other empowerment credentials within the sector at the moment.